You won't believe who I'm with.
Did you know there's a place in Goa where creatures, seemingly dreadful ghosts, come out on the streets scaring the guts out of people? You'd be surprised to learn that this practice is actually a festival called Potekar celebrated in Goa. What's even more surprising is that it takes place on the island of Devar, a place known for its calm, serene and peaceful environment. Devar Island is famous for its green landscape, laid-back living and hospitable residents who are typically sweet and calm. But during Carnival, the calmness of Devar transforms into something quite extraordinary. The same peaceful locals dress in scary, nerve-chilling costumes with terrifying masks and roam the island, scaring people, especially faint-hearted children. So while Panjim is busy with joyful carnival celebrations, Devar becomes a place of eerie terror as the islanders celebrate a festival that seems similar to Halloween. The festival begins 3 days before Ash Wednesday, and for those 3 days the island is engulfed in an eerie atmosphere. People dress as fearful entities with spooky costumes, masks, and exhibit strange mannerisms meant to scare everyone. Many even tie cowbells around their waists and ankles, creating a distinct sound to warn people of their presence. Despite the fright factor, it's all in good fun. The festival doesn't just bring out screams but also laughter as locals and visitors alike enjoy the spooky yet entertaining spectacle.
Thank you very much.
So how many kids have you scared so far?
I scared 2,000 kids.
How many boys have you hit on so far?
69.
69 it is. Thank you.
It's my favorite number.
Thank you.
My name is Leona and I've come all the way from Moira.
My name is Cameron. I'm from America, in Australia, but born in India.
I actually made some masks, but they're kind of tame compared to what they're wearing. I didn't know what kind of mask. So as soon as I entered, there were these crazy costumes, and I like how they are not just wearing costumes, but they're also kind of going into they're doing some drama, like they're going and scaring people, and they are, interacting with the crowd, and yeah, it's fun. I like it.
I never seen anything quite like it. I feel like these people look like they're scarecrows or something like that, and wandering around scaring people. I'm not sure what the story exactly is, but I understand it to be something to do with maybe the seasons or the crops, or maybe scarecrows.
This festival isn't a new tradition. The eerie figures of Potekar have been haunting and entertaining Devar for ages, making it a one-of-a-kind experience. It's as much part of Goa's culture as the age-old carnival Khel Tiyatra, and offers a fun yet thrilling twist to the season celebrations. Next time when you visit Goa during the carnival time, take a ferry ride to the Devar Island and witness this age-old tradition yourself. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.